Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Lost Ark not launching. If you want to fix it, click here and then type game mode, turn on this option and then go to Xbox Game Bar, turn it off. Now go to view advanced system settings, go to settings, adjust for best performance and then click apply and OK. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now make sure to update your Windows, check for updates, and if you find any update, install it, and then go to GeForce Experience. Now try to update your GPU, go to drivers and check for updates, and that's it. And then go to settings, scroll down and enable image scaling. Your problem must be fixed. After that, see you in the next video.